Excuse me, sir. Can I help you?
How can you help me? I'm the king, and nobody can help me the king. And king help always anyone.
Oh, really? You are drunk, and drinking is not good.
Who told you? It's wrong. It's wrong. And it's wrong, totally wrong. A drink man always speak truth and help always.
So help me. I have a big problem.
Yeah, tell me your problem. I will solve it.
My wife is my problem. She always bother me.
Don't worry, I will fix that problem.
So how?
Just relax. Finish this bottle.
Really?
Yeah. And by tomorrow morning, your problem will be solved. Disappear your problem.
Let's see. Now go with my bed. Thank you, brother.